In this question, we are asked to find out the maximum height, uh, total time, range, and velocity of projectile if it is moving with initial velocity, which is equal to 36.6 meter per second, and the angle which it make with the horizontal is equal to 42.2 degree. So, what is the maximum height? So we know that maximum height of a projectile is given as v naught square sine square theta out of 2g. As we know that v naught is given as 36.6 meter per second, angle theta is equal to 42.2 degrees. So putting above value in this equation, we get y maximum equal to 36.6 meter per second square sine square into 42.2 degree divide by 9.8 meter per second square. So we get y maximum equal to 30.8 meter. To find out the total time, we know that the total time of a projectile is given as 2 v naught sine theta out of g, as we have given the initial velocity v naught 30 is which is equal to 36.6 meter per second. Theta is equal to 42.2 degree. Putting the value in this equation, we get 2 multiplied by 36.6 meter per second multiplied by sine 42.2 degree divided by 9.8 meter per second square. Upon simplification, we get T as 5.017 a second. So to calculate the range of the projectile, we know that it is the horizontal distance, so we can write it del x is equal to Vx multiplied by t, as the horizontal component of the velocity is given as v naught cos theta into time. So putting the value in this equation, we get as v naught is 36.6 meter per second multiplied by cos 42.2 degree multiplied by 5.017 second. So therefore we can write the range as 136 meter. And to calculate the velocity, we know that in projectile motion, the velocity is the sum of the uh, horizontal velocity Vx and the vertical velocity Vy. These are the component of the velocity. So we will find Vx and Vy, and then we will sum it, and then we get the final velocity V. So we know that velocity is equal to and root Vx square plus Vy square. As we know that the horizontal component of the velocity is given as V naught cos theta. So Vx equal to 36.6 multiplied by cos into 42.2 degree. So therefore horizontal component of the velocity equal to 27.11 meter per second, and the vertical component Vy equal to V naught y plus 80. So Vy equal to V naught sine theta. As acceleration is given as minus gt, because the projectile is moving against the gravity, so that's why we put acceleration equal to minus g. So putting the value in this equation, we get as 36.6 into sine 42.2 degree minus 9.8 meter per second multiply by 1.502 second. So therefore Vy equal to 9.885 meter per second. So putting this value in this equation, we get a Vy equal to under root 27.11 square plus 9.88 whole square. So therefore Vy equal to 28.9 meter per second.